almost done with my hair. I just had the middle to finish, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. So yeah, let me see you guys when I'm halfway, when I'm done.
Yeah.
Run. Okay, let's go. I swear to God, this is my last braid. It's been 4 stressful days. I don't know who told me to make them this thick and this freaking long, but that's okay because it is currently 8:28 Saturday morning. I get like 4 or 5 hours of sleep so I can get up on time to meet my friends. We can go out. Stay tuned for that.
Raz.
Oh my God, guys, y'all finna be mad at me. I'm so angry. It's 5:02. We had a reservation at the sushi bar for 5:30. Y'all, that's when I woke up late. I knew that was gonna happen because I was up till like, I was up to 2 o'clock this afternoon doing my hair, bro. Like, I swear to God. But I just called and changed my reservation for 6:30 so we don't have to rush or whatever. And I was like, how am I supposed to record and show you guys like my outfit and all that? Y'all, this is stressing me out. This is stressing me out. Unacceptable. I'm gonna still vlog for y'all, okay? This is crazy. Okay. What's up, guys? So we are on our way to the sushi bar. It is mad late. We're about to leave. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing real quick. I have on my Tupac shirt, Poetic Justice. Sorry if y'all hear my friend in the back being loud. So I'm wearing my Poetic Justice shirt with this random pearl bracelet. I have my jewelry from Shein in Rome. The same with these. Same with these earrings. My hair, y'all, is not done, but that is fine. I'm just going to look cute, but you guys are gonna see the finished look. I'm wearing it with my Converses, my Coach bag, this bootleg bracelet I got from the girl from the mall. Yup. These pants from Forever 21. I have it tucked. It's mad cute, you know what I'm saying? I did a little bit of makeup, not too much. I'm about to wipe some of it off. I'll take out the smells. The smells I'm wearing is I'm wearing white Kenneth Cole for her or whatever with my Tory Brooch original smell. Let's go. Right. Oh, no. Look. Oh, she's so cute. This is her problem. This is your problem. Ready? Right. All that wasabi. My eyes was watering from that little bit of. Yo. You're fucking crazy, bro. Ain't no way.
No reaction.
No react. Oh, okay. Your eyes look a little watery.
Look.
Are you sure about that? Look a little watery. I got my mango. Yeah. Girl, we good. What's up, man? Got my little mango. He know where we at. Dominic, he outside, bro. I'm telling you. I got my. Stop, Dominic. He already know, bro.
What is it like?
This is your problem.
It doesn't break.
So, it's like, it's tilapia. It's good. I thought it was gonna taste sus. It's good. The cilantro really f***s it up, though. You gotta take the cilantro off. I wouldn't recommend trying. Oh, it's a little spicy. It's a little spicy. God damn. The sauce is spicy. Right. You got like dip it. It's spicy. I took a lot, bro. This your problem. I gotta get my little Maltese. Look a little stressed there. Oh. No, you can use the chopsticks. Oh, right. Yo. Look at your fingers. We don't even got no napkins, bro.
I'm got what?
my YouTube is. Hey guys. So it's like 8:17. We just got done. My grandma gonna come scoop us because yeah, I'm on a date with my boo thing. I've been trying to get her since like elementary school, you know what I'm saying? And I'm in love. Like, yeah, ain't that right, baby? She knows she loved me, and that's okay. That's okay. But yeah, the sushi was good. Recommend 10. Nah, maybe like an 8.5 out of 10. I'm gonna leave a review on Yelp. Yeah. I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm gonna buck her some more, and then I gotta pack my and go to the gym.
That's gonna be milky.
Oh,
That's gonna be milky.
you right.
I just thought about this. She might have a milky ass cheesecake. You think she want a milky ass cheesecake today?
She better take this melted up cheesecake. Y'all, it's raining. Y'all, it's raining really bad outside. Y'all, I can't believe it. I became the broke friend today, but that's okay because I'm gonna cover lunch tomorrow. She the bank today, bro. She the bank. I'm trying to figure out what time this rain stopped. My grandma need to come get me. I want to go home, go lay down. Celebrating our anniversary.
It don't know.
This your problem. Here go JoJo, bro. Look, JoJo. Dominique is JoJo. He's sitting right there, bro. Oh. No. I was just trying to take a little landscape. You know, my damn neck ready for my. Hey guys, so it's editing Janae here. This video is being edited weeks after the fact. It is currently 1:05. It's July 19th. As you guys saw early in the video, this video was filmed in June. There was a lot of things that I left out in this video. So we left the raw sushi bar. It was a lot of like miscommunication with transportation. Me, I'm a person, I do not like confrontation. And honestly, my grandmother was supposed to take me. Well, she wasn't supposed to take me. I was gonna ask my grandmother to take me and my friend to the sushi bar, but I know my grandma works, so I was like, you should have asked her a few days in advance. You know what I'm saying? You just can't be asking people. So I lied and I tricked my sister to make her take me. My apologies, dear sister. You know, we sat down, we enjoyed our meal. Y'all, that day I became the broke friend. I wasn't the broke friend, but I became the broke friend. And I only became the broke friend because I paid for my friend's meal, okay? Right? She picked me and my friend up. She's driving us home, right? I put my friend's address into the GPS because my grandma would know where to go after that. I put my friend's address in the GPS. And my grandma's driving an area. And I'm like, Grandma, you gotta make a U-turn. She's like, oh, wait, make a U-turn where? So we drive and we're like 10 minutes away from my friend's house, right? I'm like, oh, so me and my friend like, okay, cool. We both got our maps up, make sure she's going in the right way. My grandma take another wrong road. So I'm like, Grandma, like, you gotta go this way. She's like, no, I know where I'm going, right? Tell me how we get to my house. Me and my friend don't live in the same neighborhood. We live about 10, 15 minutes away from each other. So my friend looking at me like, Janae, like, what the why am I at your house? You should have told her to take me home. I was like, bro, I didn't know what else to do, you know. My grandma, she old, you know, I didn't want to stress her out. I didn't know what to say. I didn't want to confront her, so I didn't know what to do. So then I asked my sister, I was like, yo, like, can you drop my friend home? You know, my grandma, she looked at the GPS and she took us the wrong way. I didn't want to stress her out. Like, can you please just take my friend home or whatever? And my mom was like, you should have spoke up. And I'm like, I didn't know what to do. Okay. So then my sister ended up taking her home at the end of the night. I didn't get home till 12. And that whole situation had me like a little bit down in the mood because I felt really bad. I'm the type of friend where I like to take care of my friends, and the fact that I had my friend pay the bill and then freaking didn't take her home really gave me a lot of anxiety because I like taking care of my friends, and the fact that I didn't take care of my friend in this situation made me very upset. Like, and that's why my mood is so down, and the outro of the video is just not it. Like, I was like, my God, like, because I know if I was put in that situation, you made me pay the bill, you're going to take me home. Like, you're going to take me home. My mom's not going to come and get me because my sister was like, can her mom come and pick her up? And I know if I was in a situation, you made me pay the bill, and you didn't take me home properly, you're gonna take me home, period. So like I felt really bad, and I was like, oh my god, like I put my friend in this weird situation, like, you know, I didn't want my friend to feel like uncomfortable. So like I got like anxiety after, because I was like, bang, like I ain't take care of my friend, y'all. This is a first for me. But just wanted to throw that in there. So I'm gonna rate like our overall experience at the sushi bar. I might put my friend's rating somewhere on the screen, but the food I would rate like a I wanted to try this like tilapia sushi thing that I was seeing like on TikTok, and like it was alright. The one thing, I think the thing that disappointed me the most is that it was green pepper instead of jalapeno. I think jalapeno would have made it taste a lot better because it wasn't bad. So yeah, the food altogether I would give at least like a 8.5, only because the tilapia thing was very disappointing. And then the drink I had me a little non-alcoholic drink, y'all. Me and my friend was gonna order alcohol, but we was like, nah. The drink I had, definitely, it was a little sweet because it had like pineapple juice in it, but it was like a 9, like a 9 out of 10. It was really good. The place itself is cute or whatever, but it's a little dirty, so I'm gonna give it like a 6.5. For the service it's like a 7. She was very nice, you know. I felt like she was too like interested though. Like like when we were trying to order, she was just standing by our table. My friend was like, I mean, like that's good. Like at least like she's making sure we're okay. But at the same time, it was kind of annoying. We were the people, yeah. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk too long, not too much. Even though I already have, I would definitely recommend going to this place. Honestly, if you just want to like hang out with your friends, try sushi. It's really cute, but the overall experience I would rate about an 8, and the cleanliness took them 3 points off. So yeah, so I should be saying 7.5. And if we go again, I would definitely vlog better for you guys. So yeah, I was afraid of me vlogging too much. You know, I'm here hanging out with my friend. I don't want to be like vlogging. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this sushi date vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. A lot happened in the last few hours, so I'll probably import that clip either before or after this, whichever one comes first. Ooh. I'm about to wipe off my makeup and go to bed. It's like 12 something. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video or the next vlog. This is a pretty short vlog. Hopefully it is. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace and love. Bye.